So I've gotten a lot of questions for people asking what's the best way to record their sports game so that the camera follows them. And well, I have a product right here that claims that it can do just that. So let's have a look at it, see what it can do, and see if it works.
Mr. Black.
By the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black. I love to share with you cool gear that comes my way. If you're new here, don't be a stranger. I'll put links to everything down in the description. You can find it easily down there, plus a surprise link. And here we go. This is the Blink Focus Autosports Game Tracking Gimbal. And yeah, the first thing you're gonna say is, wait, that's just a gimbal, right? Like other phone gimbals out there? And yeah, you're right. It is a 3-axis gimbal. It's portable, foldable, and lightweight, but also has a solid build. It comes with these little tripod legs so you can put it on your desk, or you can mount it on a tripod with this quarter thread hole at the bottom. It has really easy controls, a nice joystick with a good feel, so you can pan it left and right, tilt it up and down. You have a couple of different shooting modes. You have a 1-button touch to easily change it from portrait to landscape. But the real magic is when you open the app. So within this Xbot Go app, it gives you a variety of different sports to choose from, including training. And then when you click on those sports, it even narrows it down even more, just to kind of get a better understanding of what kind of action they're going to be needing to follow. So for this instance, I picked soccer and 7 versus 7 and adults. I put the gimbal on the half mark of the field, and then I let it go and record. And then the AI will determine when the play is moving, and it will follow that action. You can also go through and adjust the angle. You can turn on auto zooming, and then the app will like zoom in when it thinks it's the right time to zoom in. You can also live stream through this app through YouTube or Facebook or their own Xbot Go platform. But that's kind of fun because then you can set this down and other people can be watching from around the world. It also does work with iOS and Android, and you know, this is what it looks like. Now, it does only record in 1080p. However, if you are using your phone, a 4K file at 60 minutes might take up all of your space. And also your phone might overheat. Now, here's the deal. This is not like gonna be ESPN coverage of your game. It just does a great job sitting on the sideline and following the action. Is it better than just someone hand-holding the phone and following the game like that? No. Is it better than someone hand-holding the phone after 60 minutes? Yeah, it is. But it's more for just capturing your team, setting this on the sideline. You don't have anyone else to shoot the video, and then you can watch it back and just see how the game went. And instead of just capturing the whole field like in a wide angle camera where you look small, it's kind of hard to see what's going on. This is a great option because it keeps it up and close. That way you can have a lot more detail on how your team did and what you did. Or if you scored a goal and you want to highlight that on your own social media. It might not be 100% right on the ball, but it does a really good job keeping up with it. So I'd say it's probably like 95% accurate. But again, for something that's under $200, that's not bad. Plus you can use this as a phone gimbal as well. But that's it for today's cool gear. I know a lot of people were asking about something like this, so hopefully this helps out. And if you're in the market for it, you can just click the link below and you can find out more information about it. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned to the channel for more cool gear, and I'll see you next time.
Mr. Black.